Good day everyone. On today's tutorial, we'll talk about how to put, insert assignment, links, and attendance in Google Classroom. Although there's a lot of tutorials about this on YouTube, I made again my own version in the simplest way that has a little bit of discussion. So let's start. What are the advantages of a Google Classroom for teachers? Google Classroom help teacher to automatically create drive folders for each assignments. Since all the responses coming output activities will be directed to our own Gmail drive, and since we have our own Gmail account, we have also our Gmail drive. Create assignments and share a single documents or automatically make a copy for each student. The reason why it is very efficient to use, ang ginawa mong classwork kahit isang kopya, pwede po sila ay magkaroon lahat ng access dito. See who has or hasn't completed the work. Statistically and systematically, Google Classroom show the numbers of students who failed to submit the requirements. Provide direct real-time feedback. Gives feedback the moment they submitted the output, since real-time. Students can easily see what's due so they can stay on top of their work. It is the most challenging part of Google Classroom where they need to beat the deadlines or dues. Make announcement and start classroom discussions. Easy to make announcement where it will notify them through Gmail or the app itself. Creates reviews, grade assignments quickly all in one place. I also included a reference where I got the content. At nagbabalik po tayo sa paano nga ba maglagay ng assignment, activities, attendance sa Google Classroom. So, nandito na po tayo sa Google Class. At nakagawa na rin po ako ng aking sample section, Grade 10 Class Diamond. At wala pa rin po ako na-invite na student. Click po natin yung Grade 10 Class Diamond. At kung mapapansin nyo, may nakalagay po dito na share something with your class. Dito po natin pinopost yung mga announcement natin. At dito po sa may bandang dulo, yung may logo na arrows, diyan po natin nire-repost yung mga announcement just in case na natatabunan siya. Since tayo po ay gagawa ng attendance at mag-i-insert ng assignments at links, punta po tayo sa classwork. Okay, then create in a form of question. At yung ilalagay po natin dito sa question is day 1 attendance. At syempre hindi po short answer, kailangan po ilagay natin ay multiple choice para mapili nila. Ilagay po natin dito is, mas maganda, I am here and ready to learn. Then, sa every attendance po nila, meron silang 100 points at ang aking day 1 attendance ay ginawa ko para sa aking lahat ng sa aking estudyante, so sa lahat ng section. May due date din po. Bahala na po tayo malagay ng due date hanggang kailan sila pwedeng mag-attendance. At click po natin yung since siya ay in a form of question. Okay, so nakagawa na po tayo ng day 1 attendance. Next, paano po gumawa ng o mag-insert ng activity, material, at link? Okay, so lagay po natin dito is, pwede naman pong assignment or quiz assignment. For example, assignment. Okay, so halimbawa, ang title ng ating assignment is recreational activities. So, PE po, recreational activities. Pwedeng outdoor, pwede rin indoor. Then, instructions or directions, pwede naman pong optional. Since pwede naman tayo malagay dun sa mismong material na directions nila. Pagka-download din, mababasa po nila doon. Then, add. Mapapansin nyo may add, create. Then, click the word add. Mag-add tayo ng file from our desktop or storage. Then, nakalagay po dito, recent, upload my drive, and start. Since nasa desktop po, we have to upload the material from our computer. Then, browse. Hanapin po natin yung mismong directory file o yung mismong location ng file na pinagsiban natin ng activity or material. So, yun po, activity number 1, for example, uploading. Yan. Nandiyan na rin po yung direction just in case. Pwede naman natin dagdagan pa dito ng directions. Paano naman magdagdag ng link for additional material para makatulong sa pagsasagot nila? Click the word add po ulit. Then, punta tayo sa YouTube. Okay. Since ako po ay nakapagbukas na ng YouTube, type po natin yung sample of recreational activities. Okay, so may nakita na tayo na pwedeng maging motivation nila or additional idea, material para magkaroon sila ng idea sa pagsasagot. Then we have to copy the universal reload locator or yung tinatawag natin URL sa taas. Ito po. We have to copy this. Then, we have to paste yung URL doon sa YouTube. Sa video search. Okay, so ayan po, lumabas na po yung link. Sorry, URL pala. Okay. Then, add po natin yung material. So, dito rin po sa may bandang right side, nakalagay din po yung points nila. If ever na ma-turn over nila yung activity or material, magkakaroon sila ng 100 points. Then, dito po nakalagay yung due date. Maglalagay po tayo ng deadline at makikita din po nila yan. Then, yung topic po, pwede po natin ilagay. At ang pinaka maganda po rito, pwede po tayo maglagay ng rubrics or criteria para doon sa grading system natin. At kung mapapansin nyo, may nakalagay sa baba, check plagiarism. Mas maganda po siyang ginagamit lalo sa mga word content or essay. Then, kung tapos na po lahat, i-click the word assign po dito sa may bandang itaas. At ito pong dalawang material na nagawa na po natin is magno-notify sa kanilang Gmail account maging sa kanilang mismong Google Classroom application sa smartphones or even sa laptops or desktop kung meron sila. Dito po nagtatapos ang ating simple tutorial sa pag-insert ng link material at paggawa ng online attendance gamit ang Google Classroom sa part ng teacher. Sa susunod po nating tutorial, mapapanood po natin kung paano mag-turnover, mag-submit ang mga estudyante gamit ang Google Classroom at sa pamamagitan din ng kanilang smartphone at cellphones or smart devices. Dito po nagtatapos ang ating tutorial. Maraming salamat po.